Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back, dear friends, to my YouTube channel. Have crochet ideas. Hopefully, you will be fine. Have you finding that's great ideas? Let's come, friends. Now I share with you beautiful and great ideas. Let's come, friends. In this video, I share with you beautiful ideas. In this video, guys, I introduced great lowest ideas and friends that are very beautiful and beautiful ideas. Uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and friends you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas. Uploads this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which I introduce beautiful and great lowest ideas. You can create different type of thinking knowledge to watching that's great ideas, and friends you will enjoy my beautiful ideas. So friend, you can create different type of thinking crust ideas in this video. Uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality which you know have that, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge ideas. Subscribe my channel and like my ideas which I share you in this video. And I introduce beautiful and great ideas in this video. You can create different type of thinking credibility to watching that's beautiful and humorous finding ideas. Subscribe this channel and friends you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas, and you can create different type of thinking knowledge, and friends you will enjoy that's beautiful ideas. Uploading this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. Hopefully friends you will enjoy that's beautiful ideas in this video, and you can create different ideas and you will enjoy that's beautiful and great ideas. You can create different type of thinking credibility to watching that's beautiful ideas. Thank you so much friends to enjoy this video.